everybody. Hey, this is Smart Living Real Estate Ottawa coming to you, the team, all here. And believe it or not, we are here in Kingston right now because Solid Rock Realty is in Kingston, Rockville, Ottawa, and in the northern, we're in Muskoka, we're in Nova Scotia.
Yeah.
So we are in other places other than just Ottawa. But this is my team. I am Lana Burnley, the team lead, and I wanted to introduce you to everybody here. So we have...
My name's Laura. I'm the executive assistant.
That's right. And we have...
My name's Liam. I'm the buyer agent with the team.
That's right. Liam, what's your last name? In case
Liam
people...
Kelly.
And how could we reach Liam Kelly?
Best way to reach me is on Instagram or Facebook. So look me up, liamkelly.ot.
Yeah, we are here today having our very first in-person team meeting. Okay, this has been a fun year, a weird year, let's say, so far, because both Laura and I had horrible Aprils, but we are ready for May.
Yes.
Yes, we are. Okay, let's talk about what's one tip we could give to our sellers and buyers today. Okay, Liam, why don't you start?
My tip is, right now, let's look for some fixer-uppers. We got to start somewhere, and it's best to get somewhere where you could start at the bottom and work your way up. So get in a fixer-upper, build some equity, and move up.
Build equity. I love that idea, for sure. And you need a good mortgage broker to do that, right?
Yes, for sure.
For sure. Laura, do you have a tip for our buyers and sellers out there?
Yeah, so find a neighborhood which resonates with you and your family.
Right. Yeah, so it's like a neighborhood, like, if you've got two little boys, then you want to be in a family neighborhood.
Yeah.
And if you're probably a retired or close to retirement professional like myself, I don't know if I want to be woken up at 7 o'clock by the school bus in front of my house. So I want more of a professional adult neighborhood, maybe a building or maybe attached bungalows. And my tip is to buy and sell when you're ready. Forget about the market and forget about, interest rates and when's the best time to buy and when's the best time to sell. It's usually based on your needs and your wants. It's not necessarily what the market wants. Work with your own schedule. And that is how real estate works for you. Tell me, what's one thing you like working with Solid Rock Realty?
Well, I love working with Solid Rock Realty because of the community we have. It's so full of experts that are there for you if you have any questions or any, support that you might want as a realtor.
That's right. Mm-hmm. I like Solid Rock Realty because we have a lot of training, and our broker of record is top notch.
Yeah,
she is.
Yeah,
Gina
is.
Shout out.
I'll double that shout out for sure. Okay, Laura, what's one thing you like working with Smart Living Real Estate Ottawa?
I find it's like a family. You guys are so accepting and so honest and so helpful.
Oh, okay, that's cool. What about you, Liam?
Well, I do agree. We're such a tight-knit group here.
Yeah.
We're open-minded, and we're happy to help anyone and cover for each other, too. We support each other.
That's
Yes,
right. That's right. We do, because if it weren't for these guys, then I don't know what would have happened in April. Because April, my father passed away, and it just did not, I was totally out of it. I'm still a bit out of it, but not as much as for sure. Anyway, and I love my team, and I'm looking to grow my team too. Because when you're part of a team, it's not just you. You get the experience and the suggestions and the opinions and the facts and the rules and suggestions of everybody on the team. Right? Yeah. And it's not just, you're not alone. You are not alone. It's called Yana. Yana. You are not alone when you're on a team, especially with Smart Living Real Estate Ottawa. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad you got to meet Liam and Laura and myself, Lana Burnley, and we look forward to helping you with your next move.